Hello there guys, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about fixing errors. Okay, so fixing errors, also known as troubleshooting, is a process of removing errors from your bash script. If you adhere to the rule which I laid out before, which was use single quotes to enclose values unless you have a concrete reason not to, you will be fine most of the time. For the times when you are not fine, you can literally copy and paste the error message you get from your script into Google and you will get some suggestions. Okay? And there is also a link in the reference. It should be in the reference. If not, you can look at my written content to the book by William Schatz, which I mentioned already in a couple of previous tutorials, which contains an entire section on troubleshooting, that is on eliminating errors which you will encounter while writing bash scripts. Okay, but my preferred method of doing this is that if you encounter an error, you copy and paste the error to Google and you Google it and then you figure out what is wrong. Okay, so this was just a very short video to tell you if you ever encounter errors, you have the internet, use it to solve those errors. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Feel free to check out the reference in the description below or in my written content, depending on where it's going to be, but most likely in both places. And again, that's it for this tutorial. Talk soon.